Hi there. Thanks for tuning in. This is Mrs. Graeff. I am on Team Andromeda. I'm going to be giving you some visuals as I talk to you a little bit about what you can expect in math class this year if you're a student, like I said, on Team Andromeda. But before I get into that, just to give you a little bit about me, I am sitting here in my classroom at the end of our 2022-2023 school year making this video. We had a spirit day, so I wore a flashy shirt and it says Heart of a Warrior, which, hey, everybody at times has a heart of a warrior. I've had that where I've had to defeat cancer. One of my students made this for me a couple years ago. And beyond that, this is a picture from many years ago, but I've got a great husband, Dave, over here. My son, he's much bigger now. He's in his 20s. My sister and her friend Will. So really enjoy time getting to see other places. That was in Chicago. And my husband and I had coached tennis together for a lot of years, so we're excited to have a little time to ourselves. But anyway, you're probably interested to learn about math class. So there are 3 different math classes you might be a part of. To give you a brief snapshot, you might be in my algebra class, and we are going to move and groove this year because we have algebra keystones we'll take in May. So yeah, we're going to hit the ground running. Expect homework at least twice a week. And I try to give you a couple days in all my classes to complete homework. Or you might be in geometry, and in geometry, you'll be receiving this textbook, and we will be working up to proofs. Eventually, hopefully, we'll get to do a proof project. We'll learn a lot of things you might not talked about in a few years, but will give you a good basis for when you move into pre-calculus and calculus and you deal with various shapes. So excited to teach some of you geometry. And then some of you might be in, and you're going to get this book, Carnegie Learning. We will rip things out by chapter. So very important, you have just a math binder. And that's one of the things I'm going to ask everybody to have is please have a math binder. I recommend 2 inches, and it should be just a math binder. Mechanical pencils or any type of pencil would be fantastic to make sure you're ready to go to erase and because we're going to make mistakes. Other thing I want to highlight, if you can see here, I'm just going to show you a little bit of my room. We are in groups of 4, and the reason we're in groups of 4 is because we're going to talk a lot about mathematics this year. So I'm going to try to get every student involved in the conversation. I'm going to be checking on you to see how you're doing, taking notes, to see what your questions are. Hopefully we get you in the habit of doing your homework so that you're practicing and doing what you need to do outside of class. But first week of school, I know everybody's working their way back in, so not too much homework that first week, but by second week, please expect, math homework will start to be a regular thing, like I said, 2-3 times a week. I'm excited to work with you. Best way to reach me, if you're a parent, is email. If you're a student, I have what I call, and I'll end with this today, I have what I call flex appointments. And if you can see here, here's a place that when I'm available in flex, I have 3 spots, and then I have another 3 spots. And then if you need to see me tomorrow, you can put your name down. And this is a way to make sure you have about a good 10 minutes to talk with me. And I prefer face-to-face chats because I think we can discuss things better face-to-face. I know it can be a little intimidating, but I'm really kind of an easy, I'm maybe not easygoing, but if you're thoughtful and respectful, I will always give that back to you. If you're trying, that's all I want. I want you to try, and I want us to work together because we're going to make mistakes. I'm going to make mistakes, but we're going to have a great year, and I hope to have a lot of fun along the way. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.